Well, the third thing we talked about after stretching was dynamic practices. And we are going to do a light dynamic practice, which is also a neuromuscular coordination exercise. And you see, when you do this, little bit of movement, how good it makes you feel. So let's all get ready for this practice, standing up on our mats.
Now let's start with our coordination practice, neuromuscular coordination. So in this, your hands will be on your waist. Just watch my leg position first. So I'm taking my right leg, just watch, right leg to the right, left also to the right, and both the legs to the left. Right, left, simple, isn't it? Let's start. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Now to this leg movement, let's add some hand movements. So synchronizing both the movements. Now again, what we'll be doing is just watch first. I'm taking my hands in front. Okay, start. Right, front, front, front. Okay, let's start with the practice. So when I'm doing front, my palms are also coming in front and then going back. Okay, so let's start. Taking your legs and hands in front. So legs to the side and hands in front. Front, 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 and relax. Now we'll be taking our hands to this side. Same leg movements but hands to the side. So just watch me first, and even the neck movement. So I'm taking my hands to the right, then left. Even my neck movement. Right, left. Okay, let's start. So take your leg and head to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Now we'll be taking our hands up and down, the same leg movements. Just watch, up, up. Okay, let's start the practice. So again, now when we are taking our hands up, we have to look up also. Okay, let's start. Up, 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 and relax. Now we'll combine these practices. So just watch one round. So it is right, then left, then front, front, side, side, up, up. This is one round. Okay, let's start. Hands on the waist. Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. One round over. Second round. Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up, right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. So now the next step will be the same practice. We are taking now, just watch the leg movements. So right, left. It's called the tapping practice. The first practice we call it simple. This practice we call it tapping. So we are just tapping right and left. Right foot and the left foot. Okay, let's start. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Now front. Again, same hand movements. So it will be front, front, front. Okay, let's start. Front, 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 and front. Now same leg movements and sideways. Again we have to look towards the side. So right, left. Okay, let's start. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left, and relax. Now, last position is up and up. So, up, up, up. We can do it together. Up, 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 and relax. Now we'll combine all these together. Just watch. So it is right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. Okay, let's start. Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. Second round. Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. Without my demo. Right, left, front, front, side, side. Very good. Up, up. Slowly release. Now we'll combine these two practices and you have to remember the next sequence. Okay. So just hands on your waist. First, I'll just demonstrate first. So it is right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. Not tapping. Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, and up. So this is one round, okay? So I just did it fast just to demonstrate, but we'll go slow. Let's start with the practice. So first simple, right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. Not tapping. Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. What next? Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. Tapping now. Right, left, front, front, side, side, up, up. Practice Mukha Dhauti 2 to 3 rounds. Relax yourself completely.
You can all sit down. So this was a little bit of dynamic practice. But I'm sure I could see all the smiling faces and people enjoying the practice. And why was that? A, because you were moving and exercising. B, mind was not on your thoughts. It was on the practice. So you had to focus on the practice. C, there was a constant engagement with the whole activity. And this is a little bit of fun yoga also. So one doesn't have to do something very hard or difficult to feel good. And all of these are important. Right from letting go, stretching, dynamic practices. And from here, we are going to move on to breathing and relaxation.